Okay, this is a brother printer, DCPT 500W. Um, the problem it has is it's printing very faintly. So we can go to ink, uh, test print page. So we test the quality. So we press and then you press the color button so that it can start printing. So you'll see the printing that it's really bad. Now this is the printed page. You see the lines are not good. So what we need to do is clean it. Sometimes we can clean with so it asks, is the quality okay? So you say no. Black okay? No. Color okay? No. So start cleaning, you say yes. So this will do for a minute. I'll pause and then return when it's finished cleaning. As you can see, it's still cleaning. It will make a lot of noise. You let it do its thing until it's through. So we'll just wait. Okay, now it has finished. So it will say press start. So you press again start with the color, and it prints again. You see the color has improved. Now the problem comes when the color hasn't improved. No paper fit, so I'll just set some papers. And by the way, this works for all. This works for all the Inkjet printers. So most of the time you'll find it has done that, and it's not yet producing good paper, good printing. So now you have to manually clean it. So what do we need? We need the following: tissue paper or kitchen napkin, a syringe, and hot clean water. So let me get them and then we can continue. Good. Now we have the syringe, a tissue paper, and some warm or hot water. The hot water, it seems like it dissolves the ink faster. So what we're gonna do is, first of all, is open the printer, and what we do is you press something, uh, you press it so that this is unlocked, which you can do that by doing like a print job. And removing power while it's still on. So this makes it open to be visible. I don't know if you're saying it correctly. Let me adjust my camera. So now you can see that the head is moving from side to side. So what we do is we take the tissue paper, you fold it to be the same length as the way the rail passes, but a bit thicker, not too much thick, just enough, it's folded like that. Good. So while it's folded like that, you place it under and force the head to go over it. Now, when the head is over it, you take the syringe, take some hot water, and now you inject the water, a small amount, just to wet the paper. Just wet the tissue paper. It's tedious work, and you'll have to use a lot of bending your fingers to reach certain places. Don't put a lot of water, because if a lot of water gets into the gears while you try to print again, it will have stains of the water. So right now I will do this and then leave it. This is called a hard cleaning, manual cleaning. So what you're doing is you're soaking the head, so all the ink that had dried up and locking the holes, which causes it to jump while printing, can be at least softened. So now I'll do the next, when I do the soft cleaning, which is cleaning by the using the machine, using the screen, those ink that had dried up there will be released. So when you move this, you'll see that you can see the tissue, you can see the ink, the amount of ink that was on top. So you can do this and do it like several times. Put tissue there like several times to just be sure that you have cleaned completely cleaned the head. So you can do that, repeat, place another tissue down there and move it, the head on top of it, inject water, and give it some time to soften. After some time, you'll see that now one of the colors you see at least has started being showing, and you remove that paper. Then you can look under, like moving like this, you can look under if you can see any paper, any tissue paper left. You can look for something small to remove it. Like this time it has not left anything. So you take a dry tissue, now wipe it on the rails, so that if there was any liquid left here, it will be absorbed by the tissue paper. Good. Now it is good to go. The only other thing you can do is on the edges, on this side, or on the edges of the head, there are cleaning pads. Sometimes they are dirty and clogged too, so you drop a little bit of water, hot water, with a syringe too. This drains the ink that had accumulated there, that had dried maybe over time. And this will help it when it's cleaning now. At least it has some clean places. Now after cleaning, you put the tissue inside to drain excess water. Again, just don't leave water on any part of it, because of course water and paper, will eventually just mess you up. Good. Now that that is done, we are going to clean every part and try to see how it will print again. So let's go back to firing it on. So it's on, please wait, it's reloading. While I'm doing that, I'll add some few papers. So it's saying normal. So let's go again to a menu. Ink and test print page, and you test the quality, and so we press the color to print again. Now it has a paper jam, so if it has a paper jam, you open the back. It's seeing a paper jam. So what if it's seeing a paper jam? That means a piece of paper was left inside here. So our machine is seeing a paper jam because maybe a tissue was left inside. So after cleaning and closing, we're waiting for it to. So it's normal again. Ink, okay. Test print. Quality, okay, and then start. So it's printing. Test print. Now you can see from our test print that all the colors are good except black. So it has black color. So now you see, is the quality? No. Is black okay? No. Is color okay? Yes. So start cleaning. Yes. Is quality okay? No. Complete. Okay. So we will go back to cleaning black only. So we will clean black and wait for it to clean, and then print our test page again to see how it will do. Good. Now you can see that the pages are a bit visible, all of them. So it's asking if the quality is okay. we say no. Is black okay? No. Is color okay? We just say no so that it can. So we say start cleaning. Yes. No. No. Yes. So it's cleaning again. You can do this like twice or 3 times. Don't do more than 3 times. If you do 3 times and it's not showing well, you repeat the hard cleaning again until it shows. So I'm going to pause and let it do because it takes a lot of time to do that, and then I'll come back when it's finished cleaning. Now it's finished cleaning, so it's saying press start. So this is start. We start with color. So we're seeing how it will print now to see how good the quality will look. If it's good, the job is done. So quality is printed good. There we have it.